In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to Leave Now in Waze. To get started, open Waze in your browser and go to the Waze Live map. This is where you can plan a route, check directions, and adjust your trip settings before you head out. If you're using Waze on a computer, the layout makes it easy to update your departure options in just a few clicks. Once you're on the Waze page, look over to the left-hand side of the screen for the driving directions panel. This is the section where you build your route. If you don't already see the directions fields open, make sure you're in the area meant for creating a trip, since that's where the departure settings will appear. Next, type in your starting point. This tells Waze where your trip begins, and it helps the app calculate the best route based on that location. Be as specific as needed so Waze can match the correct place. After entering your starting point, move on to the destination field. Now type in your destination. This is where you want to go, and once both locations are entered, Waze can generate route options and show timing details. Make sure the destination is correct before changing any trip settings, since the departure option works together with the route you've created. After that, look just below the destination area and find the drop-down button. This menu lets you adjust the timing preference for your route. Depending on what is currently selected, it may show a different option at first, such as planning for a later departure or arrival. The key here is to open that menu so you can switch it. Click the drop-down button and then select Leave Now. As soon as you do that, Waze updates the route based on leaving immediately instead of using a scheduled time. This is especially useful if your plans changed and you want the most up-to-date route, traffic conditions, and estimated travel time right away. And that's it. Once Leave Now is selected, your route is set to reflect your current departure. If needed, you can always return to the same drop-down menu later and change it again. This is a simple but helpful setting to know, especially when you need fast, accurate directions based on real-time traffic.